Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the difference between using yellow onion juice and red onion juice for your hair. So first I'm going to show you guys how to make it. So let's get to it. After blending up a little less than one whole red onion and yellow onion, this is the amount that I'm left with. So one thing I'm gonna start by saying is keep your onions raw. And one of the most beneficial things about onions is that it's really high in antioxidants. Well, by you cooking it, like I've seen some videos where people cook it. I know you have to cook it to make the oil, but if you're just doing the juice, keep it raw, because whenever you add heat to it, you're losing some of the antioxidants that the onions have to offer, and therefore it's becoming less beneficial for your hair. It's still gonna help out, but it's becoming less beneficial. I mean, y'all know, like how people say you overcook greens or you overcook your vegetables. That's why a lot of people steam their veggies instead of cooking them, because the longer you cook them, the longer the heat, you pulling all the nutrition out of your food. So just go ahead and keep your onions in its raw state when you're juicing it. I'm left with these two spray bottles after I put it inside of the bottle. I want to say this is like 3-ounce bottles, something like that. And one thing I know, people say they can't stand onion juice. Like, I mean, I've read reports, I've done the research on the benefits that onion juice can have on your hair. But one of the biggest complaints is the fact that, of course, it smells like an onion, and onion stinks. So one thing about it is that it seemed like the red onion smells better. It's not as potent as the yellow one. But anyways, I have quite a few essential oils, and I'm going to see if I can try and mask the smell by either using this peppermint oil, my lavender, or my rosemary. And I also have lemon as well. And just in case you guys didn't know, the peppermint, lavender, and the rosemary, they benefit your scalp in a good way. So it's not bad to add those to your oils or anything that you're doing. But in this case, I'm just gonna try and see if I can mask the smell. I'm probably just gonna drop all 3 in, to be honest, because I'm not trying to be smelling like an onion. And I'm about to wash my hair, but I wanted to like leave this on my hair for like an hour before. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and add all 3 in. That was 10 drops of the lavender. Okay, I smell it. That's not bad. Like, it's taking away the strong smell of the onions. This is peppermint, and I love peppermint. Ooh, it's really taking the smell away. I really probably don't even have to add this rosemary, but I'm just going to add like 5 drops. Okay. Give it a good little shake and see how it goes. Yeah, that's not bad at all. So for everyone having issues with the smell, go ahead and get you some essential oils and drop you some oils inside, because it really helps mask the smell. Because they say, like, I know some people leave it on their hair overnight, but some people be like, I can't take the smell. But if you add these drops in, I think it's bearable and you'll be able to go for it overnight and long term. And these are 100% essential oils that I'm using. Just in case y'all wondering, you can find essential oils at Vitamin Shop, Myers, Target, Walmart. Oh, and let me tell you, TJ Maxx always have good deals on their 100% essential oils. So you don't have to be spending like $10 a piece on them. They are reasonably priced depending on where you go. And now I'm going to apply this to my scalp. So I'm gonna take y'all in the bathroom with me and see how I apply. Ooh, what's that? Okay. And see how I apply this onion juice to my hair. Y'all, I've been out running errands and I've been kind of hiding behind this hat. It's been a rough, crazy day. I took notes so that I can provide you guys with the correct information. So I'm going to add this onion juice to my scalp. And the reason for that is because it can provide extra sulfur to support strong and thick hair, which will prevent hair loss and will promote hair growth. So that's pretty much just a few benefits of adding onion juice to your hair. Now, this is the first time I've ever done this. I have seen videos and reports where girls swear by it. It's just one of the things that I want to add into my routine along with the aloe vera juice, and eventually I think I'm gonna try out the fenugreek seeds, but I think I want to primarily do that for my face, like just to see if it'll clear my skin up, because I have read different reports on that. So I will be telling you guys the difference between the two, because some people swear by the purple onion and some people swear by the yellow onion. So it's kind of confusing. But at the end of this video, I will list the benefits of both of these. So right now, I'm going to start by applying the purple one to my scalp. And I put it in this bottle just so it wouldn't be so messy. Y'all saw that mess that I made when I was using that Aloe. Yeah, it's not terrible. I'm pretty much going to try and drench my scalp with this onion juice. Ooh. But while you're doing it, or even at the end, like, make sure you are like rubbing your scalp. Go ahead and give your scalp a nice massage so that it can really penetrate through your head. So I think this process would be pretty good like on wash day or the day before wash day. Just go ahead and put it on your scalp. Oh, and I forgot to mention that applying onion juice to the scalp and your hair could increase the blood supply to your hair follicles, which in turn improve hair growth. So the onion juice in itself is increasing blood flow to my hair, but by you massaging your head, that's also increasing the blood flow. And this time I will not be adding it to my hair strands, only my scalp only. Like if I was getting in the shower, then maybe I wouldn't mind, but I just feel like it's gonna be way too messy if I try and apply this onion juice to my hair as well. And also I'm going to be rotating between the two because both of the onions offer different benefits. So I want to make sure I soak in all the benefits that this onion juice have to offer me and my hair. And hopefully it's worth stinking for. It's not that bad. So I have primarily applied it all to my scalp. They do say if you're having a hard time getting the smell out of your hair when you wash your hair, then you could add like some apple cider vinegar to your hair, to your shampoo. Maybe if you have a fruity shampoo, then that will help get the smell out. They also said you can add onion juice to your hair, and that should help get the onion smell out. And also, I know people are gonna wonder, like, how long does this last? Well, I would definitely say I recommend that you use a fresh batch every single time. It didn't take long to make it all, so just plan for it, plan a day ahead. Well, not a day ahead, like it's like once you cut your onion, it draws in all type of toxins. So the moment you cut your onion, you want to be ready to make your juice so that you can apply it to your scalp. You don't want it to sit a day or two. So even though I do believe this would last in the refrigerator, it just wouldn't be as fresh as when you first cut it. So if you do plan to make it in advance, I would say a day or two, but I highly recommend that you make it fresh. Also, I did see that they say you can freeze it. That way you aren't losing any nutrition out of it. But then you risk it being like a little watery when you unfreeze it. But I'm pretty sure that's not a big of a deal. But it really wasn't hard to make, so I would just recommend using a fresh batch. And y'all, I'm gonna just leave this on my head. I'm gonna try and leave it on my hair as long as possible. It's really not dripping down my back right now. So at the end of this video, I am going to go ahead and list the difference between these two and which one I think you should use. But if you're anything like me, like, I mean, sources are very torn between which onion is truly the best for your hair. So go ahead and get the best of both worlds and use both of them, because they both have good benefits for your hair and you can't go wrong. So spray your hair with one of them and then follow up with the other one and just soak in all those benefits. So that's what I would recommend, and that's probably what I'm gonna go ahead and do. Since reports can't really 100% tell you which one is the best. I know the red one is the best when it comes to eating it, but I'm not intaking this in my body. I'm just applying it to my hair. So like I said, it's a win-win whichever one you use. They say you do not want to use white, that's for sure. So whether you grab a red one or a yellow one, you'll be fine. But I'm also going to list all the benefits and just see how it goes. See if I notice that my hair is growing quicker and faster. Oh, and one thing I didn't mention, it's crazy that I'm just now trying this, because I remember one time I was getting my eyebrows done. Had to be like over 10 years ago. And the girl was telling me that her sister had accidentally shaved off one of her eyebrows. And her mom or her dad had told her to apply onion juice to her eyebrows. And she said her sister's eyebrows grew back so thick. So obviously it really works. I guess it's all a matter of just trying it out and seeing how well it benefits your hair. If you can take the smell, I really believe if you dilute it with this essential oils, then I think you'll be able to master the smell. But go ahead and give it a try. If you have given it a try, let me know how you feel about it. Let me know how long you've been doing it. Do you actually cook yours? Do you put yours on the stove, or do you just keep it raw like I did? So yeah, so that's pretty much it, y'all. Thank you for watching this video. I am going to try and keep incorporating the aloe vera and now the onion juice in my routine, and eventually I want to try the fenugreek. So let me know if you guys have tried any of those methods, and let me know if it worked for you. So again, thank you all for watching, and I will see you all next time. Bye bye.